Guys, so it dawned on me that I have not did a taste test video concluding the entire homebrew series. So that's what I'm doing right now. This is actually the last bottle of my homebrew, and I'm going to compare it to a Paulaner Hefeweizen. Right, very well known. This is the same style beer that I brewed, so it makes sense to compare them. And I packed away most of my beer glasses. So I don't have two that are the same size, so or same shape or anything. So just to be fair, I have these glasses, which are not really beer glasses. But anyway, here we go. This is all done on my phone. Hang on, I have to put it down. All right, sorry about that. I had to put the phone down a second to open these. So let's go ahead. We'll do the homebrew on the left. All right. And the Paulaner will be on the right. And this is the last beer for a long time. Kind of want to finish off the homebrew. I specifically saved one of these for a comparison. So you could see the beer that's been brewed for like 100+ years has a better head than my homebrew. Right, so the head is dissipating quicker on this guy than this one. Let's see. Try to smell. Homebrew smells good. Smells kind of like wheat. Maybe a little bit of banana or something in there. When I say banana, I don't mean like a ripe, brown speckled banana. I mean like a green, like really unripe banana. It smells very, very similar. All right, so we'll try the homebrew first here. You can see the head's still kind of keeping. This one's dying down, so here we go. I have to say, it's really good. Like, I'm very happy how it turned out. So there's a little bit of spiciness on the back end. The taste is that German wheat beer. I mean, it's kind of a go-to flavor where you have a little bit of like, maybe a little clove or something. Again, that banana flavor and wheat. It's a light wheat beer. You do get the kind of bitterness from the hops that's in that. So let's compare that to this very well-crafted, very popular sold beer. Okay. That is almost identical. The homebrew actually has more carbonation. I don't know if it's because, I don't know, this one sat a little longer in the refrigerator. Let's see. Let's have another back and forth. I definitely like the mouthfeel on that. This one is just a touch sweeter. This one's a touch more bitter. Let's see. Honestly, they're both really good. I like the carbonation on mine more. I like the flavor on this just a touch more because I actually like the sweeter version of this, I guess, compared to the slightly more bitter version. But yeah, not bad, I have to say. Not bad overall. Very happy with the kit. I mean, you guys are interested, you can see where you can find them online. Just home run. Really awesome. Let's go do this last second back and forth. Very good flavor. Like I said, it could have been the pour too. Not quite as much of the carbonation. You could still see some head sticking around on that guy. Yeah, that concludes that. Thumbs up. So yeah, I mean, first time ever brewing beer. I'm very, very happy with it. It makes me want to try different styles down the road, but I think I might have mentioned this in a previous video. I would really want to do like a 5-gallon batch or something. You know what I mean? For the time and effort, I like to make like just more in a quantity. So perhaps we'll do that in the future. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.